Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to set the width and height of an element. So let's get started. So under our directory we first need to create our index file. So I'll give it a name of index.html. And then for the title you can give it whatever you want. I'll just give it a title of website. So we can just maybe put a simple header here that says hello world. Okay, and then when we go to our browser and click on the file, we will see this hello world header. Okay, so now we can create our style sheet. So we'll create a new CSS file and name it as style. And then in our index.html file, we just need to include that style sheet. So link_rel equals to style sheet href equals to style.css, which is our style sheet file right over here. And then we are not going to style this header, we are just going to style this pizza image right here. Okay, so first we need to display this image. So we will use the image tag image source equals to pizza.jpg, and then the class equals to pizza. Okay, and then in our style sheet we can actually add some styling now, but first we can just go to our browser to see how it looks. So we'll see this pizza image right here. Okay, so in our style sheet file we can just put the .pizza, which is our class name we've given it, and then I'll give it a height of 500 pixels, which gives it which makes this image bigger. So when I refresh, you'll see this image gets bigger. I can also make it smaller, like with 50 pixels. You'll see that this will be smaller. Okay, so I'll change this back to 500, and we can also set the width of this too. So we'll say width equals to maybe 400 pixels. So when we go back to our browser and refresh, you'll see that this width changed. Okay, so we can also give it a bigger width, maybe 1000 pixels, and then when you refresh, we can see that it will be stretched longer. Okay, so that's how to set the width and height of an element. Please subscribe and like for more videos, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below, and I'll see you next time.